I got a 14.10 one-handed PB, so this is a reconstruction video. Follow the scramble on the screen if you want. So this is the scramble. You can see that this is an easy cross, and there's also this pair right here. So I insert this green edge in here first, like this, done like this, and then I rotate here to solve this edge like this, pair it up and put it down and this. And when I do F2R, I see that there's this two pairs, so I bring this one up and solve it. I also rotate here to solve this in the back and see this and this, so and also this easy edge right here, and this OCL case, and then a H-firm.